hear me out and let me know what you think. Hey everyone, thank you for tuning in. My name is Tanya Quinn. For those of you who don't know me, please make sure before I start this video, please make sure that you rate, comment, subscribe, hit the notification bell so that you can get notified when I do post more videos. I'm here at my salon, but I was just thinking while my customer is under the dryer, you know, I love this channel and I'm still going to be posting permanent lock extensions and everything that I do, but I also wanted to add more content to my channel as far as, you know, what I do in my regular daily life, because I don't just wake up and just come to get your opinion like these mosquitoes are eating me alive. Oof, no. I wanted to get you all opinion about me adding more content to this channel just to spruce it up a little bit, different things on here along with the permanent lock extension videos. So I just wanted to get you all input because you are my subscribers and I don't want to lose you guys. So this is why I asked, you know, I'm making this video just to ask you all what you all think. Do you want to see more content on this channel? Do you want to see other things that I do? Because I do other businesses. I am engaged in several things. I do want to post my eating habits, my workout routine, my daily life. I just purchased a new home, my DIYs. I also want to add those to this channel, but I said let me ask my subscribers first what they think, and from there I'll make my decision to see if, you know, if you guys want to see more of me, then let me know in the comments and I'll look over the comments, and if I see that you all want to see more of me, then I'll just post more content. I'm sorry about the noise, guys. They're doing work here in the plaza, but I will talk to you soon. Don't forget, comment, rate,